so used to wheeling the other way. So originally this video was just supposed to be me and my buddy practicing wheeling gas bikes because we both come from electric and we're not very familiar with the foot brake. But as you'll see later in the video, that's not all that happened, and this video ended up being very entertaining. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah.
Sounds amazing. I'm gonna leave.
They rose. Oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah. Oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God, she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double entendre. Bitch, you wouldn't get it if you studied it for weekends. I'ma put a pause. Every rapper out here rapping like they got it all. Oh God, I'm so appalled. If I don't get the recognition now, that's okay because my hustle real strong. I could ball like the bar, club pack, all the wall. Spring back on them cause I know summer, winter, summer, fall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Yeah, I'm so seasoned, bitch, I can do it all, yeah. I can sell water to a fish. I can tell your girl, gon' bend it over quick. She gon' hit a flip. Tell her she can take it if she want it. Bet you all the money that I got up in my pocket, she gon' hit a lick. That's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, you ain't gotta ask. You can tell, you can smell YSL. When I step into the office with my clientele, I can tell you a joke, might as well entertain me like Chappelle. You should thirsty for attention in the desert, you can find a well, alive and well, I'm fly as hell. Yeah, okay, my fan base like ICP. And tell L, give me RESPICT. I like my leaf water hot, that's no ICT. My IQ look like I'm out of an Ivy League. My swag grip like I'm coming out of Ivy. Please, my shot across between CP3 and then YPD. Yeah, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, that's just what it is. That's just what it is. I ain't gotta lie to you, no. Okay. Spin 'em up and I'm taking 'em. I'm like the therapist for your therapist. The last word is coming from my lips. I'll tell you how to feel, and that's a lie, cause you know my eminence is imminent. I tell stories like the government, tell you how to feel, and that's a lie, cause you know it went down, ain't up. I didn't keep it even, didn't drown. Came up, it's deeper in the deep end, so
You want to switch? Sure. I keep it in mode 2. Okay. But you can try mode 1.
So I lose control and let it spill over capsize. Time will know better than my cup, but no. So here's your next session. No one profit makes a profit when they hit the right note. I'm like a therapist for the therapists.
What do you think?
I can't do it.
You don't like it?
I went for my foot brake and I can barely reach the brake.
That's crazy. You okay if I just go?
I'm just gonna go slow. You're good.
That's kind of funny. We stop. I'm like, can I go ahead?
Yeah, go for it, bro. Yeah, I told you I need them protection things. Yeah, look, we're fine. Nothing happened.
Damn. I'm actually surprised. Damn, I'm actually super impressed. Like,
This thing takes good.
there's nothing.
I'm fucking sore. I need a minute.
Yeah, me too. This is sick.
Looks like I got mud on your bike. Hey, this will make a good picture. I don't know how I'm gonna get my bike out.
Will your bike stay there?
Yeah.
Go get a picture. I don't know how I'm gonna get out though now that you're here.
You want me to push you backwards?
Do you think that you could just turn your bike? Probably not.
My bike's...
I'm just like, I can't do anything till you're out, but you can't get out without getting me covered in mud.
I can push you back.
Then my boots get wet. I was trying to do this without getting muddy and wet.
But you're oh man, my boot's stuck in the one. Oh, on second thought, my shoes are not that waterproof.
Yeah, no joke.
I did not realize how fast it sunk in.
Your bike can't do this.
You lucky son of a bitch.
Aww.
What?
I just like got my shit covered in mud.
That's like really stuck.
Yep.
Alright.
Dang it.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do.
been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. Pull up in the drop top, make a top drop. Palm trees on the beach, what do I got? Little money in my pocket and some pop rocks. I'm coolin', tell her I'm no hot shot. If you just tryna smoke, well I got spots. If you just tryna, what I'm about that. Yeah, baby, I'm chillin'. I'm in my bag, no feelings. Drain with a lime, why you so fine? Gave it to me once, I need it one more time. Hit up my line when I'm back on your mind. You know who to call when you tryna unwind. I'm feeling your swag, you feeling mine. Things heat up in the summertime. We can stay friends if it's done right. No hesitation, I know it's waiting.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I can't believe I did that.
I've been up for 5 days, haven't seen my driveway, and I know you feeling good. It's another Friday. Hand out the window, rocking some rings. Turn this one up, yeah, we both in the same. They cannot go hustle.
So used to wheeling the other way around.
Yeah, you're good. That'll stay. Might stay.
But I mean, I literally have 2 new ones sitting at home because that one was already broken.
Good thing you didn't put them in yet.
Yeah, I just I lost the wheelie and I set it down right on the tail light.
Drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do.